Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you this particular look which you are seeing right now, and I hope you will like it because it is very tricky to create a red look. Like, it is really very tricky, like, trust me on this, it is very tricky. So I it has to it has taken me a lot of time to create this look, and I have seen Nidhi doing it. Also, I have seen Anubha doing it. So I was really intrigued by this color. So I thought of creating this one for myself. So yeah, here it is. Hope you guys will like it. If you guys liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now yeah, that's about it. Let's get Now, to start off, I'm going to moisturize my face using this Cuffs and Lashes serum. Also, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the PAC Take Cover Concealer. Now, to blend it, I'm going to use this PAC brush. Then I'm going to make my eyebrows. Like, this is nothing new. My base and everything is still the same. Now, I'm going to use this Inside Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color red, and this will act as my base. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, but before that I'm going to spread this red color on my eyelids, so I'm not going upwards my crease, as you can see here. And now I'm going to take this red shade, and I am going to place the red shade where I have placed the lipstick, so it will make the color very vibrant. And now I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to use this orange glitter on my eyelids, so you see it will give my eyelids a very nice effect. Now I'm going to take any fallout using this cotton pad. Now going to prime my face using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I'm going to use this PAC HD foundation in the shade 3.0. So, and then I'm going to take the concealer and going to highlight a little bit, as you can see here, and going to clean up the edges. This is the best technique which I have used, and I really like it. Now I'm going to draw a wing using this Cuffs and Lashes Wala liner. You can use any liner, and yeah, bingo. That's about it. I'm going to set everything using this banana powder. This is by Makeup Revolution. Now going to take the red shade and to my lower lash line. I'm going to apply some kajal. Now going to bronze my face like anything. So you can see here I'm going to bronze everything. Now going to take this Faces Canada Glam On blush. I applied this highlighter, but the clip got deleted, so the application part is not there. Now again I'm going to take this lipstick and going to apply, because this is a true red color, and I'm going to mention each and everything in the comment section, in the description box. And I'm also going to apply a little bit of clear gloss on my lips, just to give this a very good effect. And yeah, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.